Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to be doing a MyEcon review specifically for 2024, as this has been updated in the most recent business presentation for MyEcon. You'll even see down on the lower left-hand part of your screen there, it says revised for summer of 2024. So let's dive right into it. Why is MyEcon the best business opportunity right now in 2024? And it's really simple. I'm going to break it all down for you in this video, so make sure you watch all the way through. Also, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. So if you're looking at MyEcon as a viable business, my friend, or you're just looking for more information on MyEcon, then this is your video. So let's get into it. So there are three different ways to get started with MyEcon, okay? And there are two monthly membership levels. So 3 entry points, 2 membership levels. Let me break them down for you. You can get started for $20, $40, or $100. That will either get you the Financial Success membership, which is $40 per month, or that will get you the Elite Business membership, which is $60 per month. And it's as simple as that. And I'm going to break down exactly what you get with each membership. So simple to remember, 3 entry points, 2 memberships. Now, let's break it down a little further. What do you get paid as people join you with those levels? Well, you earn 15 on 20, 35 on 40, or 70 on 100. So about 70% commissions. And as you build out your team, people will come in. When you first join, you will be an EVP, which is also known as an executive vice president. Pretty simple, pretty easy to understand, and also pretty straightforward. As you start to build your team, obviously you're going to have you, and then this would build down like any other network marketing company, except the cool thing about MyEcon is it's not a binary, it's not a matrix. You do not have to worry about where you place people or worry about placement strategies. It's very, very simple. It's just a unilevel and really, really easy to build. So your first generation is everyone that you bring in. Second generation is everyone that they bring in. Third generation is the people that the second generation bring in. It's pretty simple and easy to figure out. Now, what can you actually start making as you start building and growing? So the way I like to refer to this slide is this is what happens when people come in the door. The day that people join, this is the money that is made right here. So as you can see right on your screen, it's pretty easy to understand. I know there's a lot of columns and numbers here, but once you kind of understand what's what, it will make a lot more sense. So remember, you got the 2 membership levels, right? 3 entry points, but there's only 2 membership levels. You have the FSM, which is $40 a month, and you have the EBM, which is $60 a month. So you can see here what you make when someone walks in the door. So as an example, if you are a platinum, and I'm going to show you how to rank up in MyEcon, I'm going to break that down for you. It's pretty simple. Okay, we'll get to that in a couple slides. All right. Let's say that you're a platinum, okay, and you sell an EBM membership, which is $100 to join, right? You're going to earn $70. Great. Now, if that duplicates out and you sponsor Bob and he comes in at the $100 level, you make $70. Okay. Now, if Bob turns around and brings in another EBM membership, you're going to earn $3. And then if that person brings in someone else and someone else and someone else, you can earn that 5 generations down. So $3 for every time someone walks in the door. And that goes down again, 5 levels down from you. Now, what's great is once you get up to infinity, you can earn literally down through infinity. There's no cap on your income once you get to the infinity level. So that is really the goal here with MyEcon, to get to infinity as fast as possible. And CEO, there's really 2 infinities. You have EVP infinity, which is that first column on the right. And then you have CEO infinity, which is that last column on the right. Once you get to those levels, you're making some very, very serious income because you're getting paid anytime someone walks in the door on your team. And it's a really, really cool thing. Okay. So that should make a whole lot of sense right there. Again, it's pretty straightforward as you start to build and grow. And as you get inside and you start going through, you're going to start to understand some of the stuff more and more. Sometimes these compensation plans might seem really complicated, but I can assure you it is not. Now, this is what happens when someone walks in the door the day they join. This slide here, the monthly renewals, this is what happens every single month when they renew. So you could see the renewal. We'll go to the platinum column again, and you could see the renewal. So as an example, if someone came in at $100, you earn 70, right? The following month, when they renew, you're going to be under that EBM column because we're looking at the $60 per month membership, which is your EBM. Okay. You're going to earn $4.20. Now, when someone pays 60, you earn $4.20. That might not seem like a lot, but realize if you're going to lose a little bit on your first generation, you're going to make it up on your second, third, and fourth generation. Okay. Because it's even no matter where they are in your organization, first down through your fourth. And then as you move up to infinity, you're going to earn that money every single time they renew. And that can go down again through infinity. So as you start to build your team, you're going to make a lot of money. So as you get started with My Econ, you're going to make more money in the beginning from personally sponsoring people. But like almost any network marketing business, over time, you're going to make more money from the monthly residuals. Trust me, I've been doing this for many, many, many years, and I can tell you that the upfront money is great. Those upfront commissions when someone joins is great, but the residuals is where it's at. That is your ticket to freedom, my friend. I can promise you that with absolute certainty and experience. Now, how do you rank advance? How do you get to infinity? How do you get to CEO so you can make those big numbers? Well, check this out. It's actually relatively simple, and it only takes 2 personally sponsored people across your team. So as an example, just to get to gold, you just need 2 personals. Boom, easy. Now you're getting team overrides. Platinum, 2 personals, 15 people on your team, but no more than 5 in one leg. So that just means you need to sponsor more than one person, right? They encourage team building inside of My Econ. Okay. So how do you get to infinity? What's the magic number? 100 is the magic number, and no more than 40 on one leg. So realistically, what does that mean? It means that you should probably have at least 3 legs. Okay. So you can spread your team out and you can hit that 100 and you can get qualified for the infinity bonuses. And then again, earn down through infinity. That's why the rank is called infinity, because you can earn as much as you want. CEO, same thing. You just got to have 300 people on your team, no more than 100 in one specific leg. So incredibly easy to rank up in My Econ. You just got to go to work and you got to start following the process. And by the way, if you want to learn our team's process and how many of us are ranking up very, very fast in My Econ, link in the description down below, and you'll see exactly how we do exactly what we do and how we are the largest and fastest growing team inside of My Econ. Now, what are the products and services and how are they tied to the membership? It's really, really simple. Underneath your FSM, which is your $40 per month membership level, okay, you get the income shifting tax strategies, basically how to save 10 to 15% on average in your job. So making sure that you fill out your W-4 correctly, you're having the proper amount of taxes taken out, not too much taxes taken out, but you're getting the right amount of money in your paycheck every single month. My Econ's going to show you exactly how to do that. My credit system, this is exactly how you repair your credit. This is how you get all that junk taken off your credit so you can increase your credit score, and you can possibly go from good to great, or you could go from poor to fair and fair to good, and even get up to a great credit score. Okay. Cash flow manager. This is going to teach you how to manage your finances. So again, as a home-based business owner with My Econ, it's on you to manage your personal finances, to, keep track of your receipts and manage all that information so you can get the maximum tax deductions and ultimately make the most amount of money. Debt elimination software, pretty straightforward, but we're going to give you the best software out there that's going to help you guys eliminate debt and be free and clear and help you guys be in the good when it comes to managing your finances. So you're going to learn how to do that effectively. Also, you're going to get investment education training, which is going to teach you and show you how to get your money, this new money that you're making with My Econ, and take that and make your money start making money for you. Okay. So that is your investment education training, and it goes way in depth and it's very, very helpful and beneficial. Now, at the $60 per month level, you're going to get everything that I just shared with you. And on top of that, you're also going to get access to the Zingo Travel Club. This is an incredible travel engine, and I can almost guarantee you it's probably a travel engine that you've never heard of, because we're used to the big ones out there, right? The Travelocities and Travagos and Expedias, Pricelines, right? Well, guess what? Almost all of the travel engines out there are owned by the same couple of companies. Okay. So the Zingo Travel Club is guaranteed to save you money over any other travel engine out there. You're literally guaranteed to save, or they will beat the price by 10%. They'll literally pay you if you find a cheaper price elsewhere. What other travel engines are going to do that? Are the big name travel engines going to do that? No, they are not. But the Zingo Travel Club will. So you are guaranteed to save when you travel. Also, you're going to be able to earn points, and you could redeem those points for free travel. Again, do the other big name travel engines do that? No, they do not. Lastly, you also get access to the ID Defender. Now, if you've ever heard of something called LifeLock, which basically is like a security vault on your personal information, this will ensure that you never get scammed and you never get taken advantage of, or you never get your personal information like your social security number stolen, because that's what ID Defender does. Basically puts a security system on your personal info. So that is it, my friend. Those are the products, services, and compensation plan all tied to MyEcon. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please do me a favor and comment the word helpful down below right now. And again, if you're looking for more information on myself or my team, or how we are one of the largest and fastest growing teams inside of MyEcon, link down in the description below. Also, if you're ready to get started with MyEcon as well, that link is in the description down below too. And if you made it to this point in the video, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button. If you got value from this video, like this video. Thank you, my friend. I will see you on the next one. Take care.